What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So here are the first details about the Samsung Galaxy S23. The smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23 is codenamed called Project Diamond. What to expect from the new future flagship smartphone? A leak previously suggested that Samsung was working on a third foldable, presumably rollable smartphone, codenamed N4, but it was followed by another leak suggesting that this third foldable smartphone was codenamed Diamond. Now it has become known that the Project Diamond is indeed a real smartphone that has nothing to do with the aforementioned models. The source says that this is the internal codename for the flagship smartphone Samsung Galaxy S23. Well-known tech insider Rose Young, founder of research firms Display Supply Chain Consultants and Display Search, confirms that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 is essentially already in development, which is not surprising since development of a new flagship starts as soon as each next generation is released. It is too early to speculate about what the Samsung Galaxy S23 will bring us, other than next generation Qualcomm or Exynos chipsets. Beyond that, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will likely use Samsung's 200 megapixel image sensor, though it's unlikely to be the first phone to feature such a camera on the market. There is a good chance this is true, as the claim comes from an insider with a good track record, and Samsung has already introduced a 200 megapixel camera sensor. Of course, the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra smartphone will also feature an S Pen stylus, but this time with improved and advanced features. It is also likely that the new Samsung Galaxy S23 lineup will use the best Snapdragon chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the United States, and the best Exynos chipset, Exynos 2300 in Europe. The new Samsung Galaxy S23 is expected to be announced in February 2023. To be even more specific, the Galaxy S23 could arrive in mid-late February next year. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.